guys. I've got some chicken wings. Hope you can see them. And I've also got some crab rangoon. I've got some sweet and sour sauce. And I've got a question for you. As always, right? Right. In 2019, are we really afraid of online dating? I don't know. Let's talk about it. What's up, Real Talk fam? Thank you for joining me again today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This is where we come and we what, fam? Eat with a purpose. Y'all got it. Y'all got it. So again, today I have some chicken wings, as you can see. I've got some crab rangoon and some sweet and sour sauce. So we're going to dig in, have a conversation, and let's talk about online dating. In 2019, are we still afraid of online dating? I don't know. Let's see. First, I'm going to dig into this food, y'all. I've got, they're hot. They're hot. Fam, I got these chicken wings from my Asian spot. The name of the spot is called A Fusion. Y'all did this. Y'all did this. Delish. Delish. They're hot. They're hot. But delish. Let's try the crab rangoon. I'm going to dip it in the sweet and sour. We eat with a purpose. That's right. Okay. So, my question again. 2019. Y'all scary of online dating? There are some people who are. I understand that. And the reason is the one I hear. It's just too many crazy people out there. I tried to hook my mama up with online dating sites. She was like, what you not gonna do is have me out here with these predators. What? Predators? Have me out here with these crazy people. What? Fam, crazy people are already out here. The same crazy people you are afraid of behind the computer screen are on your job. They at the drugstore. They getting prescriptions from the prescription store. Can I say it like that? They out here. And so I don't get it. Now, I'm going to share my story because I did try online dating. I did. Did it go well? No. But, not because he was some serial killer. As you all can see, I'm still alive. He was just a liar. And you can meet a liar anywhere, fam. Anywhere. Okay. So, let me tell you my experience real quick. I meet him online. I'm not going to say the name of the website, but this is a true story. Please believe. Couldn't make this up. I meet him. In fact, his profile says divorced. His profile says that he has some kids. I'm fine with that. Okay. We meet. No. I reached out to him. In all honesty, I'm going to keep it 100, fam. He responds. So, we go back and forth over the website, and we eventually actually end up exchanging numbers. Okay. I'm talking to him on the phone. Seems like a nice guy. He comes and he picks me up for a date. Not a bad looking dude. I didn't feel catfished at all. We go out. We go to eat. Everything is fine. He comes back, drops me off, back to my place. No hanky-panky is going on. My kids are here. He calls me 5 minutes later, fam. And I'm not kidding you. He's in a couple of towns over, arrested by the police and in jail. This is date number 1. He calls me. He asks me, can I please come and get him out of jail? $200. What's his bond? Like a dummy, I went and I got this Mickey Vicky out of jail, y'all. What do you say? I don't know. Let me chew on this. Go pick him up out of jail. He asks me to take him home. Now, mind you, his profile said he was divorced and he was apparently supposed to be living somewhere else. Nope. You know where I took him, fam? To his wife and his kid. This is what he told me I took him. This is where he told me I took him. Days go by, days go by. I want my $200 back, fam. Okay. As the days go by, though, he's not telling me that he has been to the other residence to go get his clothes. Days go by, fam. And this Mickey Vicky is still where I dropped him off at the wife's house with the kids. I wasn't supposed to pick up on that. Okay. You say so. I just want my money back. Because what you're not going to do is ruin the whole date. Have me come and pick you up from the jail and take $200 from me. Fam. the more I start going into this story, the crazier I sound, right? Right? I mean, chew on that. Days go by, and he's still at the wife's house with the kids. I call him out on it. Please believe, after I get my money, because you gonna give me my money. He says to me, no, you have it all wrong. This woman lost her place due to foreclosure, so I had to stay here. Fam, bottom line, he was a liar. He wasn't Ted Bundy. He wasn't Jeffrey Dahmer. I didn't end up, like Samora says, in his freezer with barbecue sauce on my forehead. I'm right here. That didn't happen. He was just a liar. Liars are amongst us, fam. They're at the gas station. They're at the grocery store. They're in church. Hello. They're in church. They're everywhere we are. That was the worst that happened to me, was that this dude was a liar. He wasn't crazy. Crazy. My whole point is you got to open yourselves up. This is 2019. The internet ain't going nowhere. Social media ain't going nowhere. When guys and girls start slipping in your DMs, that ain't going nowhere. What you gonna do? Oh, he must be crazy. Oh, she must be crazy. We got to give it a chance, y'all. I know it sounds crazy. I know it sounds crazy. But there are men and women marrying, having families, meeting online. Now, I'm not going to tell you what website I met this clown on. He was a clown. Hands down, he was a clown. But I could have met this clown anywhere. Like I said, he wasn't the scary clown. But he was online. That's where I met him. I was online. Does that make me crazy too, fam? No. That makes us realize that today is a new day. And we have to use all of our options. Women, let the men come for you. I agree with that. Online. Put up a pretty profile. I think that was my downfall. I'm seeing divorce. I'm seeing he's a carpenter. I'm like, oh, Jesus was a carpenter. Wasn't a carpenter, y'all. He worked at Ford. What? Chew on that. Is online dating such a bad thing, fam? Let me know. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like it.